Join me as I put the DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G to the ultimate test. Can this beast really handle anything I throw at it, all while packing a massive 22000 mAh battery? The DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts, with its rugged features and powerful battery. This phone is built to withstand the toughest conditions, making it perfect for those who love adventure. Regular smartphones often struggle in tough environments. One of the biggest issues is battery life. It seems like they always run out of juice at the worst possible moment. And then there's durability. A single drop can spell disaster for your device. These phones also tend to overheat when you're using them for navigation or other resource-intensive tasks outdoors. And let's not forget about water and dust resistance, or the lack thereof. Many users have experienced the frustration of their phone freezing up or shutting down in cold temperatures. And when you're relying on your phone for critical tasks, such as emergency calls or navigation, you need a device that can keep up. The poor performance of regular smartphones in tough environments can be a real liability for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking, camping, or working in a rugged profession, you need a phone that can handle the demands of your lifestyle. The DOOGEE V Max Pro boasts a rugged design, with IP68 and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance. Its massive 22000 mAh battery provides incredible endurance, with up to 2 days of heavy use on a single charge. The phone's camera capabilities are also impressive, with a 108MP main sensor and support for 4K video recording. And with 5G connectivity, you get lightning-fast data speeds even in remote areas. In real-life tests, the DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G has proven itself to be a reliable companion in extreme conditions. It's withstood drops, dust storms, and even underwater use without missing a beat. Users have reported using the phone for extended periods without needing to recharge, and its performance has been flawless even in freezing temperatures. The phone's battery life has been particularly impressive, with some users getting up to 5 days of use on a single charge. And with its fast charging capabilities, you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. The DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G has truly earned its reputation as a rugged smartphone beast. Its combination of durability, battery life, and performance makes it an unbeatable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. In conclusion, the DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G checks all the boxes for a rugged smartphone. Its massive battery, rugged design, and impressive performance make it a top pick for anyone who needs a reliable device that can handle anything. What do you think about the DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G? Have you had any experiences with rugged smartphones? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more tech reviews and insights, be sure to check out my other videos. DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G rugged smartphone, 22,000 mAh 32GB plus 512GB/TF 2TB rugged phone unlocked Android 14,108MP plus 20MP rugged cell phone, 6.58 Full HD+, plus 120Hz IPS screen, IP68 IP69K waterproof phone, NFC/Face ID/Wi-Fi 6. Brand DOOGEE. Operating system Android 14. RAM memory installed size 512 GB. Memory storage capacity 512 GB. Screen size 6.58 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2408. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Model named Max Pro. Wireless carrier unlocked for all carriers. Cellular technology 5G. 22000 mAh unbeatable 22,000 mAh battery with fast charging. The DOOGEE V Max Pro takes battery life to a whole new level with its massive 22,000 mAh battery. Designed for users who need their phone to last days, this phone eliminates battery anxiety with a single charge that powers through up to a week of light usage. Whether you're camping, traveling, or working in remote areas, you can count on this rugged smartphone to stay powered. And when you do need to recharge, the 33 watts fast charging capability ensures you'll be back at full power in just a few hours. Plus, the OTG function allows it to act as a power bank to charge other devices. 32GB plus 512GB/TF2TB and LATESTANDROID14SYSTEM. Powerful Dimensity 7050 processor with 32GB RAM. Experience the speed and power of the latest Dimensity 7050 2.6 GHz octa-core processor, combined with a whopping 32GB of RAM, ensuring top-tier performance even with the most demanding apps and multitasking needs. Whether you're gaming, streaming in 4K, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the DOOGEE V Max Pro never never lags. The phone's 512GB internal storage, expandable up to 2TB. The rugged cell phone is equipped with the latest Android 14 system, offering smarter interaction, stronger privacy protection, and better performance optimization. ULTRACLEAR108MPAIMAINCAMERA plus 20MPFRONTCAMERA. Stunning 108MP triple camera system capture life's finest details with the DOOGEE V Max Pro's 108MP AI-powered camera system. The main camera is equipped with a cutting-edge sensor, offering crystal-clear shots, while the 20MP night vision camera allows you to take perfect shots even in the dark. The 8MP wide-angle and macro lens ensures you capture more in every shot, whether you're photographing landscapes or detailed close-ups. Photography enthusiasts will love the versatility and clarity this phone offers. 6.58 FHD Plus and 120Hz DISPLAY. The 5G DOOGEE V Max Pro rugged smartphone is equipped with a 6.58-inch Full HD+ Plus high-resolution display screen. The details are clear and sharp, and the colors are vivid and realistic. The 120Hz high refresh rate endows an extremely smooth experience. Page sliding is incredibly smooth. High dynamic movies are presented continuously. In games, the response is rapid and the picture is exquisite. The perfect combination of Full HD+ Plus high resolution and 120Hz high refresh rate creates a stage for a visual feast. SUPERCOOLINTELLIGENTINTERACTIONLIGHTS. The DOOGEE V Max Pro phone is equipped with intelligent interaction lights in 3 colors of red, green, and blue, adding an ultra-stylish and cool touch to your device. These lights can be personalized according to different scenarios. Whether it's for incoming calls, music playback, text message notifications, or when the unlocked Android phone is charging, they can provide intuitive and eye-catching feedback, greatly enhancing the convenience of use and the interaction experience. IP68/IP69KANDMILSTD810HRUGGEDPHONE. Built tough for extreme environments, engineered for durability, the DOOGEE V Max Pro is designed to handle extreme environments with ease. With its rugged build and certifications for air, maritime, and hardware safety, this phone is built for adventurers and outdoor professionals. From water and dust resistance to shockproof technology, this phone is ready to face any challenge. Whether you're hiking, camping, or working in rough conditions, the DOOGEE V Max Pro is your reliable companion. DUALSIM5G The DOOGEE V Max Pro rugged smartphone supports facial unlock/fingerprint unlock, which is convenient and safe. Dual SIM 5G waterproof smartphone with wide network frequency band coverage, NR, N1/N3/N78/N28/N41/N77/N78/N79, FDD, B1/2/3/4/5/7/8/17/18/19/20/26/28A/28B/66, TDD, B34/38/39/40/41, WCDMA, B1/2/4/5/6/8/19, CDMA, BC0 BC1 BC10, GSM, B2/3/5/8. DOOGEEOFFICIALSERVICE. Thank you for purchasing our DOOGEE V Max Pro 5G rugged phone. We greatly value each customer's experience, and if you encounter any issues or have any questions while using the product, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us through Amazon's messaging system, and we promise to respond within 24 hours.